Greetings. This is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually use PowerPoint to record our computer screen. Yes, PowerPoint to record our computer screen, right? So I'm going to guide you through that particular process. All right, so the first thing that I wanted to do, right, is come right here in our taskbar. We're going to click, so we're going to bring up the PowerPoint. All right, so we're going to select a blank document here, right? So let me go right here. So now let me close this design. Let me see if I can insert now. Next slide, in which I can actually put the recording on. All right, so on this one. All right, so definitely I want to use this to record my screen. So anything that I do on the screen, you will see it and to insert it back on this. And I'm going to show you how you can actually save it from here back to the desktop as a media. All right, so first thing I want to do is come right here and click on the word insert, right? So when you click on the word insert up here, right, you're going to come right here. That is a screen recording. You click on it, right? And I click on the screen recording, right? You notice right up here, it shows that I can actually select the pointer. Here, shows that you can turn and turn off your mic. Notice here, so you can actually select the area of the screen you want. And right here, it shows that you can actually pause it and stop it. And here, you can show the recording, right? But if you notice, I take my mouse off here, you notice it become a plus. So I'm going to select the area that I want, right? I'm going to select the one in the ear. Hold on the left side, you notice that red thing over there. I'm going to come right here, right? And if you notice, the record button show up now and all of that. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be trying to shift some of these icons and you're going to see exactly what works. So I'm going to click this. If I want to click this record, you give me a timer. When I click on notice, control, right? So now I'm going to move it. So notice everything that I do, it's going to record, right? So I'm going to move this right here. I'm going to move this put over here, right? And this is this particular document here. So shift this folder, all right? I'm going to open my Microsoft Word document. I just right click right here, you notice, come down here to new, and come all the way here. This is the document, right? And if I right click on it, I can click open here and open the particular document. I can click here to open it, right? And if you notice, these are some different documents, and this it says this is dictate. You can actually dictate and all of that. I can type something here. I can say equal RAND, right? I can actually put a code. I can press 9. I can put a comma and full stop a comma and then 9 and that. And if I press enter, you notice what I get. A lot of paragraphs here. Very important. All right, you notice the page is wide itself. If I come right down here, I can actually carry it in completely. All right, you notice it takes time coming in. All right, nice, wonderful, and all of that. So very important. You can actually block this, as I said before, everything that I'm doing recording. All right, I can actually block this right here. And if I click on this big A here, you notice it actually changes. If I click right here, it can actually change to different here. If I click to this, look here, I know it's A. You notice color change, right? And if I come right here at the heading, it can actually change all of these, right? And if I come right up here, I can indent it, right, to the right or the left. You notice indenting to the right or to the left. And I can come right here. I can put actually a page border on it, just like that, looking very unique, right? And if I click this A right here, I can literally click on insert and come all the way here, right? Now this one here, and click on the job cap here, right? If you notice, it's come up right there, right? I want to click on design. I want to put a page border. I click on this one right there, right? And if you notice, I want to choose just that border. I'll put a border on it. Very important. And all that. Good. I want to change the page color. I can come right here. Notice the color of the page actually changes different and all that. Right, very important. I can click that. Right, very important. Right, if I want to insert something from the page, you can come right here. Right, and then they say insert from, I'm going to take a picture from offline. Now this is actually come up with something. Let me just put on something. Alright. Let me just put one apple. Right there. Nice. I'm gonna click this. I'm gonna insert it right there. So I'm gonna right click. I'm gonna wrap text it. I'm gonna put tight. You notice I'm gonna carry it right down. You notice it's actually fitting in the word so far. Very important. Notice. And if I come right here, I can actually put it in different shapes. Notice actually taking shape so far. Very important. Taking shape right there. It's actually taking shape. Put it right there. Give a different shape. Put it here. Give a different shape. All right. I'm gonna leave it at that one. All right. And notice how it looks here so far. So very important. So we have learned something from that particular thing here. All right. So very important. Right. So notice it actually inserted here. Right. And notice why I start to show some design idea which I can actually do with it, but I don't want to do that right now. Right. So if you notice this itself, right, and if I'm going to play it, if I click this to play it, you notice it start to move. Notice start to move. All right. So I can actually do something else with it. If I want to save it to the desktop, right? Separate it from the sheet. I'm going to right click. Once you right click, you notice it's a copy. I can paste it. And all of that. I notice it says save as media. You can edit and all of that. If you want to save it as media, I'm going to click that right there. Right, and I'm going to come right up here and click on the desktop. All right, so what I want to understand me is record, right? And then I want to put PowerPoint, right? Right there. And what I want to do right there, so I'll click save, right? So this definitely I can come right here and I can click don't save, right? And I close this. And now we're going to be looking for what we just did a while ago, right? Notice this is what we record on the PowerPoint screen a while ago, right? So we can actually come right here and notice we can actually open with movie with the media player, and if we click on that, right, definitely this is what you actually have here, move and all that. So you can actually close it. So I hope you have learned something on this video here. So